The right MIDI keyboard is one of the most important parts of your studio. MIDI keyboards are essential for today's music production. Your digital instruments can easily be controlled and played in your digital audio workstation by connecting them via USB or Bluetooth. They help you record at a higher level, which makes the process easier. Fortunately, there are many great MIDI keyboards available today for different needs and budgets. This video will show you the best entry-level MIDI keyboards. If you want more information, be sure to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's start with our first pick. Full-featured workstation MIDI keyboard with great natural feeling keys and extras. This is more than just a MIDI keyboard controller, as it is a complete workstation with 49 velocity-sensitive semi-weighted keys, true MPC functionality with 16 MPC pads, additional features, a total of 24 key-link controllers, and convenient connectivity options. Its keys are really natural and respond wonderfully to different playing dynamics. In addition, MPC features include 16 levels, tempo touch, tone division, MPC note repeat, MPC rotation, and arpeggiator. It is a plug-and-play keyboard, so the setup is pretty straightforward. It comes with a great software package, including Ableton Live Lite, to get you started producing music right away. It also offers plenty of versatility and quality, whether you're a beginner or an experienced music producer. At number 2, AKAI Professional MKII Mini MK3. This is an awesome mini-sized MIDI keyboard with 25 mini velocity touchy keys, 8 MPC pads, a 4-way joystick for pitch and modulation control LED display, 8 assignable encoders, an arpeggiator, and an octave up and down selector. Besides the awesome features, this is pretty lightweight and portable, making it an excellent desire for musicians. It seems like an easy keyboard to feature melodies, bass lines, and easy chords for your tracks. However, it's far a bit powerhouse, supplying a lot extra than that with its 8 MPC pads and 8 mappable encoder knobs. Because the keys are quite small, this keyboard is suitable for musicians with large arms. Plus, the buttons are the product of plastic. This MIDI controller is a less costly answer for any studio, journeying musicians, and entry-degree tune producers. At number 3, Arturia KeyLab 49. This is a great MIDI keyboard that serves as both a traditional controller and an instrument combined with great controls, multiple connectivity options, and standalone options and functions. Digital audio workstation control capabilities. It has 49 full-size semi-weighted keys with velocity and touches sensitivity, 16 RGB backlit performance pads, 9 faders and 9 knobs, and tons of ports. It comes with a Pro Feel keyboard that feels great with high-speed sensitivity. It has 3 modes: Digital Audio Workstation, Analog Lab, and User, allowing you to use it as standalone hardware or in conjunction with the Analog Lab of your choice. Another great advantage is the connectivity options that allow you to use the MIDI controller in conjunction with a variety of other devices. The package includes Analog Lab software that is deeply integrated with it. It offers more than a standard MIDI keyboard with a feature-rich and easy-to-use system. At number 4, Novation Launchkey Mini. Developed primarily for Ableton, this is a low-cost MIDI keyboard. This may be small in size, but it packs a lot of features. The 25-key unit features 16 velocity-sensitive RGB, 8-pan controls, pitch and mod touch ranges, and 1 sustain input. Great music software is included in the package. It shines with great features and works great with Ableton Live. You can also use it with different digital audio workstation of your choices like FL Studio or Cubase. It has a versatile chord and chord memory function. Musicians with large hands may find this keyboard difficult to use because of its small key size, but it is a great compact MIDI controller for Ableton users. To spice up ideas and melodies, Launchkey Mini's innovative remixer lets you change beats, rhythms, samples, octaves, gates, and more. At number 5, Native Instruments Komplete Kontrol S61. The full-featured intelligent MIDI keyboard is deeply integrated into the Komplete software. This is a smart MIDI controller featuring a full-size keyboard with 61 velocity-sensitive semi-weighted keys, extensive control options, 2 screens, and tight integration with NI instruments and NI Komplete plugins support the NKS standard. The MIDI keyboard is pre-mapped for NI's Komplete instruments and is very intuitive to use with the playback support system. It has full control over your digital audio workstation, so you spend less time with your mouse. with fatter keyboard and light guide, keyboard with pitch and mod wheel, touch strip, 8 tactile buttons, and 4-way push encoder. If you like Komplete software, this is a great all-rounder keyboard with great features and ease of use. It doesn't have sliders or drum pads, but you won't feel the need for them with these premium keys and features. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us, and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.